Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook a chicken gyro, or if you're in Adelaide, Australia, a chicken gyros. This has been one of the most requested recipes, so here it is. This tastes amazing and isn't too hard to make. To start, dice 3 cloves of garlic. Then strip some fresh rosemary. Then do the same with some fresh thyme. Finely chop before mixing with the garlic. Transfer into a mixing bowl. Then to the bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 kilos of 4.5 pounds of chicken thighs. You could use chicken breasts, but I find thighs work a lot better. Next, add 1 cup of Greek style yogurt, followed by the juice of half a lemon. Then 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Mix the chicken through the yogurt and the spices. Once the chicken is fully coated, cover with cling wrap and marinate in the fridge for an hour or overnight for the best flavour. Once the chicken has had some time to marinate, take 1 onion with the bottom cut off. Push a metal skewer through the bottom, making sure the base of the skewer is firmly within the onion to make a stand for the chicken. Push the skewer through the centre of the chicken thigh and lay it on top of the onion. For every chicken thigh, make sure you place them opposite the last one. Once all the chicken has been stacked, it's time for this to hit the barbecue. Light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using clean heat charcoal. We're going to use the minion method on both sides of the barbecue. Leaving the grate off, place the chicken in between the charcoal. Cover with the lid and cook for 1.5 hours or until the center reads 165 Fahrenheit or 75 Celsius. This is looking beautiful. All that's left to do is to slice it up. The chicken is nice and tender as it's been basting itself on its own juices. There you have it, a chicken gyro made at home. Serve it up on a wrap with some garlic sauce, lettuce and tomato. This is only a starting point for the flavors. Try out some different spices to suit your taste. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.